Hello and welcome. This is Plain Dad, and this is how to change your email on your OnlyFans account. So first and foremost, open up your browser, then go to onlyfans.com. Just click on the more and then click on settings. In here, you'll be able to see in your profile. Go to account, click on your email. In there, you'll be able to click on the update email address. So that just click on next, and after that, they'll send you a code into your previous email. Just click on that email link and they'll send you the code. Be sure that you'll be able to access it within 10 minutes as they have a timer for it. So if you don't, then pretty much it will be canceled out. After typing the code, be sure to check it first, and if it's correct, then just click on next. And in here, this year already on step 2, just type on your new email address. And after typing your new email address, just click on next again. After that, you'll be prompted to a test of you're not a robot, and then click on next. And be sure to have an email that's not connected already to another account. And that should be it.